The next one. Same basics, guys. Hopefully we can also stay consistent. I'm also tired, but we need to do this week. We don't have to have pressure when exam or the tests are starting. Some of these expressions require a lot of practice. Once you've done it before, it's very easy to do it again. But if you've never done it before, you might actually think it's tricky. Okay, so we're factorizing. Okay, so just to make sure that you guys understood what I was trying to explain last time. When dividing, okay, so let's say you have something like this: x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 3. X to the power 5 divided by x to the power 3. You subtract the powers. The rule is that since the base here, it's x there and it's x there. Since the base is the same, you just subtract the powers. You say x 5 minus 3. So you need to master, guys, when dividing, the powers have to be subtracted. Okay, so let's do this one now. If you have something like x minus 2 to the power 3 over 2, then here we are dividing x minus 2 as well. Since it's x minus 2 and it's x minus 2, the power negative half. Since we're dividing, the base can also be an expression. So the base here is x minus 2. So guys, since the bases are the same, you just say x minus 2, then you subtract the powers. So you have to subtract 3 over 2 minus negative half. I think if you subtract that one to become 3 over 2 minus negative half, so the minus and the minus, they make a plus. So it becomes 3 over 2 plus half, which is 2. So yeah, when dividing, you subtract the powers. So that's what we're going to do here. So what was the question again? 8 x to the power 3 x plus 1 to the power 3 minus 2x x plus 1 to the power 2. So the only thing that's separates these two numbers is this minus here. This is one number. It's 8x to the power 3 times this. So it's one number, and this is another number, 2x times that expression. So you have to compare one by one. There's 8 there, there's 2 there. 2 can enter 8, so 2 is a factor. Then there's x to the power 3 there, and then there's x to the power 1 here. So x to the power 1 is a factor. Then there's x plus 1 here and x plus 1 there. There's x plus 1 to the power 3, x plus 1 to the power 2. So we pick the one with the lower power, x plus 1 to the power 2. Then we start dividing. The first number divided by this. You get 8 divided by 2 is 4. X to the power 3 divided by x to the power 1. So we subtract the powers. 3 minus 1 gives us x to the power 2. Then x plus 1 to the power 3 divided by x plus 1 to the power 2. We subtract the powers. You remain with x plus 1 to the power 1, like that. Then, we don't even show the 1, so I'll just put minus here. This divided by this, apparently this is equal to that, so we get a 1. So practice, right? We need to practice. So x plus 1 the power 2. Here we have 4x squared times x, that's 4x to the power 3. 4x squared times 1, that's 4x to the power 2. Then the minus 1 is just alone there, innocently stands in. So that's the final answer, guys. Yeah? What do you think?